Fading blue peeling paint gave the impression that the door was unused. The doorbell had no number, no label to signify who would answer should you ring it. There were no indicators that this bell even worked. It was functioning, but no one ever did respond. Children would dare each other to ring it. Only the bravest ever accepted, as this was the witch's house. But no one knew her name. Miss Sylvia Ferguson kept herself to herself. The postman ever only delivered an occasional bill. Behind the door, Sylvia sat, cradling a baby. The baby made no noise. It couldn't.